You know why you are afraid? You are afraid when you act. But when you act in the faith of Guru Ramdas, as the Sikh of the Guru, there should be no fear. Because Guru shall cover. Life is no more than a dollar bill. The biggest scripture on the earth. This is the only $1 bill and currency unit in the world which says, in God we trust. And Sikh has a dollar bill in himself, in Guru he lives. All actions of yours, don't think too much. Don't think all commercial things. Don't think all corner and facet of psyche. Just think one thing. Whenever you act, act in the name of the Guru you believe. Don't act yourself. Therefore, there shall be no reaction. It's a simple way to feel enlightened. It's a simple way to feel rich. It's a simple way to prosperity. It's a simple way of fulfillment. It's the mostly best public relation for opportunities. Because when one is saintly, one is trustworthy, one is gracious, one is enlightened, one is wise, everybody seeks such a person. That's the life of a Sikh. Learn to be a Sikh is a science to be a God.